So in this Notes app tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit font size on the Notes app. So for example, if you were to type in font size just like this, if you just want to edit it a simple way, I'll just type in font size a few times. You can go ahead, highlight the font right here. You can go to this capital A, lowercase a, and you can just change it to like a title, which makes it larger. There's a heading, there's a subheading. But if this is not good enough for you, highlight the text once again, go to the top left, press format, go down to font. Then you can go ahead and do larger or smaller. So you can do command plus if you want. So if I were to highlight this and command plus, it'll make the font size a little larger that way. Command minus can make it a little bit smaller, but also if you want like a specific one, go to format, you can press font and show font. You can kind of select the size this way. You can kind of make it larger, smaller, whatever the case may be, and it kind of looks like that. So very simple, but that is how to edit font size on the Notes app, and I hope this video helps.